Hello everyone! How do we add two integers? In adding two integers, we have two rules to remember. Rule number 1. In adding two integers with the same signs, we add the numbers and copy the common sign. Rule number 2. In adding two integers with different signs, we disregard the sign, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and copy the sign of the bigger number. We have here examples. So example number 1, we have 8 plus 2. Since both integers are positive, then we just add the numbers and copy the common sign. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Since both are positive, then the answer is positive. So the answer is positive 10. Example number 2. We have negative 10 plus negative 6. We still have the same signs. So negative 10 and negative 6, we just add the numbers 10 plus 6. So that is 16. And we copy the common sign, which is negative. So the answer is negative 16. Example number 3. So 24 plus negative 9. Since one is positive and the other one is negative, then we disregard the signs. We subtract the smaller number, which is 9, from 24, which is the bigger number. So 24 minus 9 is 15. And the sign of the bigger number, which is 24, is positive. So the answer should be positive 15. Example number 4. Negative 60 plus 18. 60 is negative, 18 is positive. Since we have different signs, we disregard the signs. We subtract the smaller, which is 18, from 60. So 60 minus 18 is 42. And the sign of the bigger number, which is 60, is negative. So the answer should be negative. So the answer is negative 42. So these are the answers. Thank you.